Good morning everybody, and this is your SP 500 setups for today. So still very much stuck in the range, and this level ahead of us here, which is 47.43, you can probably round that off to 47.50, is sort of the first attempt at an all-time high. And you can see all the chaos in amongst here, and then we broke through eventually and moved up. So that's over a couple of weeks. There's no sign of anything stopping. This could be an exhaustion bar at the moment on the weekly, so that is something you need to pay attention to. But I think we need to worry about these two levels here. Now, all-time high is 48.18, and then you have 47.43, 47.44, which is the previous swing high. So in the minute we start drilling down through the time frames, see perfect range there, nothing really else to add to that. Drill down to the 3 hour, which is your cue to hit the like button. You see a little bit of a different view here. So look at the oscillators. They have separated slightly, and they are pointing towards the upside. So the faster one's already crossed over. This one looking to flatten out and roll over now. So I suspect we are aiming for 47.43, and if you look left on a lower time frame, you'll probably see a whole host of opportunities in this area here. Personally, I think we are aiming for 48.18 all-time high. The big question is whether it's going to happen this week or next week. And next week is going to be a bit of a weird week because it's between Christmas and New Year, so you're not really going to have many opportunities there. So for me today, it is range bound. I'm just going to put the bottom level in here, and you can see what happened on Friday. We created two lower lows. Down the bottom here. This is kind of the bottom of the range for me at the moment. That's top of the range there. So the question is, are we going to break through? Should we be looking for an opportunity to buy into, and where is that opportunity? So looking at the 15-minute, complete chaos on Friday, but it does leave us with a few opportunities. So obviously this is the first opportunity, which is 47.28, but then you have the gap. I'm just going to use the bottom of the range level there at 47.19 or 47.20. Have a look at the oscillators at the moment, all grouped to the upside. So it's a Monday. It's probably going to be meek and mild, rather muted. But I suspect we are going to tag 47.43, 47.44 today, and then probably another rejection, and then we need to look for the base to build off, and that looks like it'll be around 47.28 or 47.30. This gap needs to close. Closing the gap is going to be down at 47.20, so we'd like to see that weekly gap close. Whether it closes today is another story. We've sort of on a bit of a tear at the moment, so that's not too bad. 0.3% up or 0.30% up. So at the moment, that's kind of my view at the moment. I'm looking for price can continue. I need a pullback onto structure. It's either going to be here 47.28 or it's going to be a gap close at 47.19. Last thing that you should actually do is pick up these two levels here. So those are the two swing lows from Thursday and Friday last week. Just line them up, and that should be the trend line. If it does pull back, it's kind of 47.13. 4700 I think has been defended on the weekly, so that's something you just need to pay attention to. Pretty big psychological level, that. So anyway, that's kind of my view for today. It's onwards and upwards. You're looking to buy, but you're looking to buy at the bottom of this range, not at the top. So you're looking for the pullback. So I would wait for the breakouts and then buy on the pullbacks, and you're going to find this kind of on the 5 minutes, although Friday's 5-minute price action was crazy. Anyway, that's kind of what I'm looking for. Pull back onto structure. This is the best structure at the moment, 47.28. Buy off that. Stop is going to be below this 47.20 area. It's going to be quite a wide stop loss. No, not that bad. So probably about 130, 140 point stop loss. Okay. Anyway, that's kind of my view. Just watch out for this 47.43.8. You can actually just round it off to 47.43. I think that's kind of where you're going to have your target. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.